That comes to 24,000.
32,000. For 4 members.
You said 3.
So, 3 children and a wife.
For everybody, 8,000.
8,000.
I have seen, what is the income of the husband, I'm asking?
No income, because as on today, no income. Because she filed a returns where she shows her yearly income is 4 lakhs.
You say that you have no income, then how can you pay this money, the educational expenses?
Because there is issue in this case.
Yes. Maintenance issue?
Yes.
Maintenance. How much is granted?
32,000. There are 3 applications filed. One is for maintenance under Divorce Act. In that is under the Special Marriage Act. That is respondent file application for maintenance. There are 3 children and wife. For each 8,000 rupees per month was ordered on IA number 5.
That comes to 24,000.
32,000 for 4 members.
You said 3.
So 3 children and a wife.
For everybody, 8,000.
8,000 rupees. In the common order, there is another petition filed by the petitioner under guardian wardship for custody of the children. In that case, she filed an application for maintenance, separate application in that case also. In that case, that is IA number 9 and 10. There are 3 IS. 5 is decided under
This is granted under section 24.
24.
No, again, another maintenance on GNWC.
They are Christians, Special Marriage Act.
Special.
Then in the Guardians Wards Act, she filed 2 applications, 9 and 10. In that, a separate order was passed.
Educational expenses.
Madam?
Educational expenses.
Educational expenses. Yes. And further,
Let us see that order. Please come to the order.
At page Annexure E. Annexure E.
Yes.
IA number 5 is an application filed with respondent under section 36 of the Divorce Act in MC number 5299/21 seeking for direction to the petitioners to pay 50,000 per month as maintenance for herself and her 3 children with litigation expense of rupees 50,000. Under this head, the court ordered to pay 8,000 rupees each for both wife and 3 children. Each pay 8,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees ordered.
So that is 32,000 plus 30,000.
No, total 32,000 and litigation expenses rupees 25 each. Litigation expenses. It is not even decided. It's only an interim application. Litigation expenses also ordered to pay 25,000 rupees for each. That is the final order. Your Lordship may kindly see the operation of the order at page 13.
So what is the income of the husband?
First, IA number 5 filed with respondent in MC number so and so under section 36 of Divorce Act, and IA number 10.
I have seen, what is the income of the husband, I'm asking?
No income, because as on today, no income. Because he was a pastor at earlier point of time. Then he went.
Where is the finding with regard to the financial capacity of the husband in the order? Where is the discussion?
There no discussion, but he required to pay some maintenance amount. That's why the court ordered it. No income. They even
you are not filing your statement of assets and liabilities.
Liabilities we pay, we file. We are not shown any income at all. We have no income at all. As on today, is unemployed.
What is she doing?
He's sick.
What is she doing?
Earlier he was a pastor. He is now seeking for a job.
She's
doing some work, and she filed returns before the court. She filed returns where she shows her yearly income is 4 lakhs. I filed that her returns filed in the lower court in other case that is not posted before this court today. I have filed 2 writ petitions. I8, 9 and 10 and filed another petition, that is a Watson Guardianship Act, and this is under the Special Marriage Act.
To know how much you will pay now.
He paid the educational expenses
How is he
up
paying
to
without any income?
24. Mannever cut. Even last occasion also he
No,
paid.
no. You say that you have no income, then how can you pay this money, the educational expenses?
Because his father was paying to him. He is dependent upon the father's income. Father
So
is
now
paying.
also you can pay their educational expenses. Your father will pay.
Father is a retired man now. He's already retired from the service. He has also a meager amount, a pension
No,
amount.
when she was with you are taking care of the 3 children and their
Well,
educational
I
expenses.
agree. I
No,
agree. As a father, he bound to
as
pay.
far as educational expenses are concerned, will not interfere with the order.
No, educational expenses he is paying.
Let
He's
it
paying.
continue, let it continue. So now when it comes to this maintenance, how much you are ready to pay now? That on litigation expenses will grant stay. But on maintenance,
Some
you have to
reasonable-
pay.
Reasonable amount, because he's
Tell the
unemployed.
court what is the reasonable amount.
I will ask my clients. and-
Password. Next part.
Till number 15 urgent, till number 16